So the table saw has been a great saw, but there is one thing that has really been kind of an issue. And I don't remember how soon it started, but at some point, that, not really a sprocket, but that wheel in there for the V belt keeps loosening up and moving over. And then I have to loosen it up with the Allen wrench and then get it back to where it's supposed to be and then tighten it down again. I can't count the number of times I have done that. And I thought when I changed the some other parts that it would stop doing that, and it did for a little while, but it's doing it again. So what I decided to do, and maybe this is totally crazy, I siliconed them. Now this one was staying good anyways, but I decided to silicone it too. And I siliconed that one in there. I slid it off, put silicone in, and slid it back on. Now I had lost the key, I don't know, several years ago. And maybe that has something to do with it, but even when I had the key, it kept sliding off. I even put holes in the side. I was going to drill the whole thing, but that became very difficult to do. So I put holes in so I could put a screwdriver that I'd ground the end off just to punch it back on. So I have no idea if this is going to work, and I hesitate on even doing the video because it seems kind of crazy, but it might work. So we'll see. Maya and Ava are in here getting the fire going with me. Looking for things they can chew on. Hi, Ava. Hey. Yeah, a little sawdust, I guess.